Hey guys, welcome to the second episode of my vlog, which is going to have a name probably soon, maybe not, maybe will. Anyway, we're going to be cleaning up my brother's 3D printer because it's not working, and then we're going to do some servicing, some general maintenance, and make sure it starts working before we get back to him. So, let's get into it. Meet the overpriced table weight, my brother's Ender 3 Pro. It's dirty, dusty. The grease is basically, lots of dirt. It keeps clogging up when it does work, and when it doesn't work, it's not pushing any filament through. So I need to turn this paperweight into an actual working 3D printer that doesn't make sad grinding noises. Let's crack it open, clean it up, and see if we can fix it. Right guys, so I actually just found an issue with this, and it is a problem. So the filament has actually been breaking apart inside this, making little, pieces, so I can't pull it out all in one go. So what we have to do is we're going to take off this part, and we're going to have to hope the bottom is still intact. Well, that's all. I also smell a really weird burning smell. Like it's really burning. Something is burning a lot, and I think it might be this wire. Hey guys, so we've just cleaned up the 3D printer quite a bit, and it's basically looking brand new apart from all the scratches on it. And now that it's clean, we are going to apply some grease. So before we apply the grease, we just need to prime the surface and make sure it's all clean. And then we're going to put on our fingers like so. So grease is really good. It really lubricates the machine parts, and yeah, so we apply like this.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
A few moments later.
It's the machine like such. And what we're doing now is we're just twisting this thing and getting all the grease on the thing, on the area that use it. So we're just gonna now that we've serviced the printer, we've cleaned up the dust, added some grease, tightened a few screws, moved some stuff around the printer and added the cooling to it, or a new cooling duct. We are now going to print a Benchy, and we're going to compare that Benchy to a Benchy on my printer to see not which one's better, but if they're like of a good enough quality, right? It is an Ender 3, it's quite old, but I guess with more tuning and more using it could be better. Anyway, so let's do that, and let's just have a print and see what happens. Right guys, here are the Benchies. So let's quickly examine my one just to have a little reference. Like, it could be better, it's not the best, but this one came off my printer, which is the Ender 3 with a V2 mainboard, and then this way, it's a good base plate, and this one came off my brother's one. And as you can actually see, his one printed the bottom layer a lot better than my one. You actually get the GT3D, I think it's going to be XYZ on the bottom, whereas this one, it's not really there. So you can have some light on that. Not that good. Fine. The layers, I think his one's better as well, to be honest. I think maybe I should be doing some maintenance on my printer. But layers are good. There's a few artifacts. Where's my pointing? There we go. There's a few artifacts over here, here, and here, but I guess we could sort them out with some tuning. My printer doesn't have it, but it does have, well, quite the layer. You can really see the layers. It could also be the Deuce filament, but we'll see. Anyways, that's good. Stringing, so it's around. Stringing. So I did take lots of the strings off, but there were strings going from here. There's a lot more stringing on this printer than this printer. That could just be due to the settings of the printer, because they're both different filament. This is just PLA, normal PLA, it's like £12, and this one is silk PLA. I don't know how much you paid for it. Maybe like 15, maybe 20, but definitely needs some better settings. So that's okay. Yeah, I mean, overall the general tolerance is all right actually. The print both circles, and yeah, they're okay for hobbyist use. They're okay for business use, maybe not, but for hobbyist use, they are both doing fine. I think I can now give back the printer to my brother, and he'll be quite happy with it. I also got a free Benchy out of this. That's pretty cool. So yeah, nice. Hey guys, thank you for watching my YouTube video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, subscribe, and comment. Tell me how you found the video. If you think I can make any improvements, let me know. If you think maybe the videos are too concentric on one topic, let me know, and I will try to make it more mixed bag. Because this was just about 3D printing. My last one was just about cars. My next one's just going to be about, okay, well, it's going to be about Wales. And the next one after that is going to be another interesting place, but those are going to be travel. So yeah, let me know, like, subscribe, and have a good day. See you.